how to change custom theme or custom template in Blogger. So if you are also running a Blogger website and if you want to also change the custom theme inside your Blogger website, then this is the right video for you. After watching this video, you will be also able to change the theme of your Blogger website. Blogger is one of the popular platform which is provided by Google, and you can create amazing types of website using the Blogger. Okay, so inside the Blogger you don't have the issue of server. Okay, so you can run in free of cost and you can earn the money also using the Blogger. So if you want to know how to earn from the Blogger, then you can watch this video. You can check from the I button. Okay, so I'm going to give that link in the video description also. Okay, so if you want to also change the custom theme or custom template for your Blogger website, then this is the right video for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. So without any late, let's begin to change our custom theme in Blogger. Hello everyone, so welcome back to my computer screen. So guys, today I'm going to teach you how to change the custom theme for Blogger. It's too much easy. Before there was a different kind of layout for the Blogger. So for this one, just you have to go in the blogger.com. Okay, so now the layout of the Blogger has been changed by Google. Now we can say this is the dashboard of the my Blogger. Then after that, just click in the themes. Okay, so after clicking in theme, now we can say I'm using this one. So if I click in the view block, so this is my website. Okay, so after that, what to do? Just go to in the customize, and now we can see there before there was a different kind of options available. So in the 2021, here is update. So for this one, just click in the restore. Okay, then just click in the upload. After clicking in the upload, just you have to upload your custom theme. So in this time I have my custom theme. Okay, so here is my theme available. So I'm just click here. So now you can see here it's telling that restoring theme. So because of the design of the Blogger has been changed, many peoples are getting trouble for this one. Okay, so that's why. So now you can see it's telling that theme preview is currently unavailable. It's okay for me. So if I click in the view block, so now you can see my thumbnail has been changed. Okay, so it is one of the amazing and easiest method to change the custom theme for Blogger in 2021. Okay guys, so if you have still any kind of confusion, let me know in the comment sections. That's it. Hoping that you get few ideas about the Blogger theme. So if you have still any kind of confusion about the how to change the custom theme in Blogger, then let me know in the comment sections. Or if you have any queries related with this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, so I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.